Hi everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. It's me, Carly, and today I'm going to take you through the 100th issue of Girl Talk Art. Wow, what a milestone. We've got so many cool creations for you to try by using some of these gorgeous gifts, including a DIY bag charm kit with pom-poms, how cute are they, and 3D sticker building kit, which have the cutest googly eyes. I'll take them out and show you now. Here we've got some pom-poms, some washi tape with some stickers, everything that will be made to use your bag charm, which will look so cool for school. And here we've got all the cute parts to make the 3D stickers, and they're gonna make some strawberries, donuts, ice creams, all with cute googly eyes, but I'll show you what they look like later on in the magazine. We've also got Harry Potter weaving, how to create a calm galaxy jar, how to make your earphones even cuter with little tie wrap around them, a little burrito case, and how to create your old boxes or jewellery boxes or tissues, how to quire them up by using our cutouts in the magazine. Not to forget some brilliant how to draws, some fab prizes up for grabs, and so much more overall amazing art inside. I can't wait to show you. So, first things first. Here we've got a how to draw tutorial on Naughty Luna the werewolf, which you may have read from those books. Let me show you the camera. Maybe you're familiar with them. So that's really cool. Just in 6 simple steps, you'll learn how to draw the illustration from the book itself. Next, we've got our amazing art page, and I just think this is so cute. So this is needle felting, and this lovely little trend of art that we keep seeing more and more has been done by artist Claudia Marie Lennart, who's created something so cute. Look at the raccoon. Such cute little felt features and little products from felt, and here we'll actually show you how you can make that yourself. So yeah, you best not miss out on that. Next, we've got our fantastic craft supplies page. So this craft supplies page is extra special because it's all under the sea themed, showing some amazing prizes for you that one lucky reader will be able to take home. Now here, this is very exciting because this is where you can get to use the gifts on the front of your mag. So like I showed you earlier, it's all the little felt to help make you build your 3D stickers. And I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the melon one. I think that's got to be my favourite. But look, all these really short, simple, easy to follow steps for you to make your own stickers for you to share with your friends, or you can keep them all to yourself. That's completely up to you. And then secondly, we've got the bag charms where you can make your pom-poms, which I showed you as well. The cloud sticker at the bottom, it's so cute. I think if you put these on your bag to school, you will be the envy of everyone. So you best get making. And now we've got some cool ways for you to funk up your earphones. So this is a perfect make for anyone who's tired of their earphones always tangling up. And these tutorials are so simple to follow and they look fab too. So here you've got a little burrito or a taco wrap to keep your earphones from tangling up, which is obviously really annoying, and that will save you and also look cute at the same time. And then here's how to make the string on your headphones look so cute and colourful and make them stand out so you'll never lose them. So I think that's great. And next, I absolutely love this page. I think it's so pretty. All the colours are so nice and complementary. If you're feeling a little bit stressed, I think this is the perfect make for you. You can wind down, relax, and make a calm jar. So this is for you to let all your worries go and then look at this beautiful jar full of like galaxy, we call it glitter galaxy, for you to relax and watch and make as well. It's so nice. It's really simple to make, and the glitter just makes it pop. And also we've got some mini ones which I think are absolutely adorable. So if you want to make an itty bitty necklace bottle from the same technique of making the calm jar and put them in a little bottle, and then you can put them around your necklace, around your neck, and be like a necklace. And I just think that's so cute, and yeah, I'm gonna make one right away. Here we've got the chance for you, because we all know you're slime mad and everyone's slime absolutely slime obsessed, for you to design your own slime tub logo. And you can add glitter, you can add colour, anything. The wackier, the better, for you to, yeah, experiment and see what you'd like your slime to look like if you had yours in the shops. So yeah, give it a go. Now, this absolutely amazing tutorial of how to draw a leopard eye, I'll show you close up. Yeah, so this absolutely amazing tutorial of how to draw a leopard eye was actually done by an amazing, very talented member of our team, and here's how you can do it step by step yourself. And you think that's so good and looks photo worthy, and now here's how you can actually learn how to do it yourself. So make sure you get doing that as well, and that's just by using colouring pencils, which I'm sure you've got. Now everyone, don't forget it's Mother's Day on the 22nd of March, and this is such a great and thoughtful gift that you can make easily from home. And look how pretty it is in the packaging, and I think anyone's mum will be super pleased to get something like this. So make sure you get a copy so you can learn how, and even cut out these cute labels to stick to the bag. And wow, what a personalised gift. Now if anyone else is kawaii crazy, then this is great, because we've actually given you all these little cute characters for you to cut out and stick onto your old boxes. So if it's a jewellery box or glasses case or tissue box that you just want to cutify up, then here is plenty, and I mean plenty, of stuff for you to cut out and stick on. And yeah, DIY decoupage. So yeah, get sticking guys, because your boxes are going to look amazing. Now, I can't get over this issue's real artist. So this is from Sarah Graham, and she actually, what a sweet job, literally. She paints sweets and candy canes and lollipops for a living, and is very good at it. So you might think this is a photo of the sweets, but it's actually her brilliant, very well done painting. I was so shocked to know that these were not photos. I literally thought these were photos and not actually done by someone. They're that good. So yeah, if you want to learn about her and how she got into it and where she studied and where she learned her trade, then yeah, that page is for you. And if you fancy colouring or painting in some of your own lollies and sweets, then we've left you a page for you to do that also. And for the 100th issue of Girl Talk Art Magazine, we have gone big, and we are offering 5 lucky winners of our design competition to win a £100 Hobbycraft voucher each, and the chance for their work to be shown in a future issue of Girl Talk Art Magazine. And all you need to do is send in your design of something of your interpretation of celebration, and because we're celebrating our 100th issue. So yeah, draw what you think, or sketch what you think of celebration, what's celebratory, and send that in to us, and then we will actually send these off to someone at the Tate to judge. So that's even cooler, that someone at the Tate is judging your work. Now, if you're Harry Potter obsessed like I am, then this craft is gonna be right up your diagon alley. So these are bookmarks. If you love reading as well and not exactly a Potter fan, then these might appeal to you to put in your books. Yeah, so we've got one each of the houses. So yeah, let us know also if you do make these, which house you're in. I would say I'm a Gryffindor. But yeah, really simple, easy to make, and they just look so good in your book. So they'll have them at school, whether you're at home, they'll keep you caught up on where you were when you last read your book. So yeah, we've got some paper later on in the mag that you can make that out of as well. Next, we've got all the big questions about art that you've been burning to ask, and you do send us in. So we've tried to answer them the best we can, whether that's how to shade, draw fur, how to bring your air dry clay back to life, or what to do with your paintbrushes when they've gone hard. We've got all you need to know right here. So get a copy to get all these facts to help you be the best artist you can. And here is our lovely Designed by You page, which is a regular, and this is a page where we love showing your art off, because we love getting all your brilliant creation designs and pictures sent in of what you've been up to. We absolutely love it. This issue we've gone for a design your own water bottle competition, so please everyone, make it colourful, unique, anything that makes it stand out, and we'd love to see them, and for you to be in a chance of winning a great prize as well, just like the 5 lucky winners who won our Design Your Own Hat competition. You might be in a chance of getting your water bottle in the next issue. So come on, get entering, guys. And for more prizes, I can't believe there's so many prizes here. What a great issue. But here's the new Fab Lab range. We've got tie-dye kits, nail art, design your own perfume, brilliant bath bombs to make. There's so much you can get up to at home. 12 lucky winners will win all of this. So best try your luck. And the question is, how many colours of the rainbow are there? If you know the answer, then best get yourself a copy of Girl Talk Art and get entering for a chance to win all of this. Go. And coming to the end now, we've got a lovely fingerprint family tree, which again would make a lovely gift for a loved one or your Mother's Day if you framed it afterwards. So you want to get all of your loved ones or family members' fingerprints in paint, dip them in and place them all over the tree. And then, yeah, as I said, frame it, and you can keep it on your wall or give it to a family member to keep and put on their wall. But yeah, I think that's a great thing to do. A very thoughtful gift that would be. And yeah, here's a sneak peek of the next issue. We've got some cute air dry clay that we're going to be giving you to make. Look how cute those animals are. There's a dinosaur that you can make. So much, but I don't want to give too much away about that issue because you need to go and buy this one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and you better go buy issue 100 of Girl Talk Art. There's so much that you can do and all that fun stuff we've gone through. I mean, I don't even know what my favourite bit is. I'm thinking maybe decoupage. But yeah, let us know what you think of the magazine when you get it. And yeah, thanks for watching. And it's on sale now, so go get it. Okay.